Hi, Sarah here with a plan with me video or decorate with me video, as I don't really write anything in, just add the stickers in. So I am using a kit by Fab Planner Print, and this one is called Fairy Girl, and there's various versions of this depending on which planner you use. And as I'm a member of the PR team, I do have a discount code that you can use over in the shop, which is 10Sarah. I'll put it up on the screen as well. And I will leave a link in the description box for this kit and where to find it over at Fab Planner Print over on Etsy. So to begin with, for creating my pages, I am just laying down some washi. I always like to add washi along the spine, where the rings go through, and down the outside as well, partly for durability, partly just for decoration, and because I don't always use a kit size that is necessarily the right size for the planner I'm using, it just makes every kit work with every planner really. Just a bit of trimming here and there, a bit of washi, you can use them in whichever one you want. So to begin with, I'm just putting down the header washi strips, wide strips that come in the kit there with the cute butterflies on, and just adding some extra floral washi from my stash. These are all very old washi, so I'm afraid I don't know where they came from originally. I'm just adding my days of the week there with the beautiful heart design on there, and I'm adding a couple of trackers as well to track my water, vitamins, and also my exercise. I might do on those as well. Haven't quite decided. I do vary what I track each week. And then I've just got my general to-do list that I put down for each day during the week, and these ones are cute with little planner ribbon clips on them instead of just little check boxes. And now I'm just adding some of the deco stickers as well here and there, just to make it look pretty, but making sure I'm leaving enough space to add any important things that do crop up during the week that I need to remember to do. And I've also added the weekend sticker banner across the bottom. I don't tend to do that much on a weekend, and if I do have a list of things to do, then I can always use my daily page to add that in there. So it's just general things that I like to get done, I might add into the boxes. And on Thursday is my planner day, so I've added my cute little planner icon there and a pretty box there to add in what I'm planning to do for the following week, which sticker collection, etc. I want to use. And those are the stickers I've added there are bin day and washing days, just as a reminder to wash sheets and towels, etc. And then now I've pretty much got all the basics down that I like to add every week. I just added a few more stickers. These ones I'm adding now are just my meal plan stickers, so that I can plan a few days in advance and know what I need to get for those dinners, and also look back, and so I'm not just making the same thing all the time. So I'm making sure I've got a bit of variety in what I cook. Again, adding some more of these cute little stickers that came with the kits, and layering a few up at the bottom there as well. I also have the large sticker that came in the kit, and I decide last week I did punch the large sticker. This week I decided that I would make it so that I could use it without the holes in, so I decided just to add it in with some washi, and I can add notes to the back of it, but then at a later date I can just peel it off and use it as a sticker as well. So I'm just trimming off my washi here from the edges and punching my binder holes into the pages as well. And there I'm just adding that floral washi, which will attach the fairy sticker to that week. I do add some stronger adhesive because it wasn't sticking that well, so I do add a little bit of extra adhesive to the back of that as well, using my ATG gun. That just makes sure it won't fall out until I'm ready to peel it out. I do add a couple of page flags which are not from this kit, but they are from Fab Planner Print, and there's page flags and half boxes, quarter boxes, and now I believe there's some new ones out with different colours, and there's list ones for them, check boxes, so I'm definitely going to have to get hold of them as well. So I'm just adding these in now, and I think that's it done for the planner side of things. I do also, I'm just showing you what I have left over, so I've got enough to do at least another week's worth there. I'm getting out my ephemera now because I really wanted to add some matching paper clips, and those other paper clips there are what I made earlier in the week. And now I'm just choosing what I think might look nice. I probably will be adding some ephemera just clipped on for this week, which I'll then later on reuse for another project. And I've chosen these ephemera pieces to create my clips from, and I'm just deciding whereabouts I want the clips to go and what size clips. I've just got a load of tiny rose gold clips there, and this is a rose gold coppery coloured glitter paper, so I'm just punching out some shapes that will fit neatly on the back and just make it look a little bit neater than it just being glue on the back. So I'm lining them up, and here's an example of what I've used before and how they work. I just add some glue to each of the backs of these, and I press the paper clip on with the double-ended wire bit facing down, because obviously that's the bit that clips. And I'm just adding these onto the glue, and then I let them dry like this first of all before I add my second layer. That's what I use. It's Glossy Accents. It's pretty much available at any craft shop nowadays. It's pretty much everywhere. So I'm just adding the second layer on top of the paper clip, and then I just add my ephemera to the back there, and do that for each one of these. And I do, once I've added the glue to them all, I do then press it down slightly, just a little bit, so it doesn't ooze out, but just so that it's definitely nice and secure. So I'm just doing that for each of them. And for each one, before I add the glue, I do just decide on the angle that I want to put the ephemera on. Apologies if you can hear my little boy in the background thundering around, chirping to himself. I did find that I may have chosen some pieces that are a little too big, but I could definitely still use them. Not so much on the pages, but in the front of my planner, which is still not fully decorated. I'm getting there with it, and when I do have it fully up and running, then I will do a flip through on my channel. So let me know if you would like to see a flip through, or any other ideas that you'd like to see me do, then please go ahead and leave a comment below. I think I'm done now, finally. Yep, there we go. There's all my clips done. And now I just have to add these in. There's the other clips that I made on a different video there. But I made them to match this week because I just love these colours so much. I just sort of went for it with the extra decorations, especially as you can see my planner's pretty empty at the moment, and I'm still messing it around, switching things up about where I want to put things. So I clip this ephemera piece using the butterfly to the top here because I thought that looked lovely. I got to use that piece of ephemera without actually having to stick it down, so it can be moved if I need to. Then I'm using the two cute hearts to clip my pages together so that it goes straight to this week. And then I think the rest of them are slightly less functional and more just me playing around and adding bits and bobs in. And I think at this point I just add that gorgeous big fairy in. I might make that into a dashboard at a later date, but for now I'm just adding it in for a bit of interest in the front of my planner there. And here is some pictures and some close-ups at the end there. So thanks for joining me today. If you'd like to see more from me, then please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget, if you want to get hold of these products, then go to Fab Planner Print and use my code 10Sarah. So thanks again for joining me. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.